Welcome to Porsline. With Porsline, you can easily design and launch various types of professional forms and surveys, including market research, customer satisfaction and experience measurement, employee feedback, and HR performance evaluations. Once responses start coming in, interactive visual reports and charts help turn raw data into insights, making tough decisions easier. After logging into your account, you have two ways to begin. Choose from dozens of ready-made, customizable survey templates tailored to different needs, or start from scratch and build your form exactly how you want. To create a new form or survey, click Create New Survey. Name your survey. You'll enter the Create phase, where you can build your questions, customize the layout and colors, and adjust settings to match your needs. In this phase, you'll see a list of available question types. Simply drag and drop your chosen question into place. On mobile, tap the plus icon to open the question list. Choose your question type, save it, and drag it into the desired position. Each survey can have a welcome screen and one or more ending pages. After adding your questions, move on to the design phase. A well-designed form with attractive colors and visuals can boost your response rate by up to 40%. Choose from ready-made themes, upload your background image, and adjust font and size to fit your brand. In the settings phase, you can take control of key survey options, from renaming the survey and setting the response deadline to enabling quiz scoring and setting up email or SMS notifications. Everything is just a few clicks away. There are multiple ways to share your survey link. However, don't forget, your survey must be activated before you share it. Once it's live, you can send the link via messaging apps, social media, email, or even SMS. If your organization uses a corporate email, you can enable a custom subdomain to share links under your company's brand. You can also embed the form in your website or app as a pop-up, button, slider, or side tab, whichever fits your design best. Porsline's reports section is packed with powerful tools. See response stats at a glance, review raw data in the results table where each row represents a submission, export your data in Excel format, explore descriptive stats in the chart section with bar and pie charts, plus key indicators like mean and standard deviation. Create advanced filters, add custom captions, and share report links with others. This was a quick overview of what you can use with Porsline. Need help getting started? Our support team is always here to assist you.